Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. So Cardano works out pretty well at the moment, yeah. It's no surprise what ADA is doing. In the previous video we talked about an upcoming retracement either in a wave 4 after the strong rejection here. And if the wave 4 retracements are not enough, it will be a wave 2 in my opinion. So there are two possibilities here. Which one of these is not entirely clear yet. First possibility that I would actually be primarily expecting is that we are now coming down in a wave 4. So that we had here from the low. Yeah, this was so far, that's what the assumption is, that the overall low for ADA is in. This is not guaranteed. Yeah, there's still potential to come down. Yeah, it's not like we are definitely going to go up. Please always understand that there are never guarantees. But it's starting to look promising. So we have been able to count here a wave 1 with the high at around 46.6 cents. That is when I told you that we're probably going to go up from here. Then we came down in a wave 2, a higher low at 44.3. We then moved up in a 3, reached exactly the target area here, the 1.618 extension that was. The first fib extension in my green target area for the wave 3. Perfectly touched it. And are now coming down in a wave 4 to an expected level. Yeah, so for a wave 4, we can just double check that, what I told you in the previous video, the targets for a wave 4 retracement. Here we looked at that, we said that the minimum retracement was already done, that was 52.4, but the ideal retracement for a wave 4 is just that 38.2% fib level at 50.9 cents. We reached it, so we can say next target reached. But of course, we are not out of the woods yet. It could still mean we drop further. We could also drop to 49.6 cents. That will happen, in my opinion, if we lose the 50.7 cent level. Yeah, the previous swing low here, 50.7 cents. And at the same time, we would drop below the ascending trend line. For now, we have a confluence of support here. We have that support level at 50.9 cents plus the ascending trend line here. And we see a green candle. But that green candle is not very strong. Yeah, we started well and looked a bit like an engulfing green candle. We still have 10 minutes left in the current hour. It doesn't really look like an engulfing green one anymore. But it can obviously hold it. We've got, as I said, two support levels here, the fib level plus the ascending trend line. Now again, if you lose the trend line, next stop would be 49.6 cents. And if we go below that, it will not be a wave 4 anymore. We then have to count this differently, which is absolutely valid as well. That is the second possibility that we talked about in the previous videos already, where we have the alternative here in an alternative wave 2. Yeah, and the wave 2 can retrace much more. We are looking then at, from this entire wave, we are looking then at levels between the 50% fib retracement at 47.6 cents down to the 61.8. This would sort of be the ideal level for a wave 2, which is 45.9 cents. Yeah, we can drop lower, but this will only become the center of focus if we really can't hold the 61.8% fib level. There is at the moment no reason to panic. I know it's coming down a bit, but that's part of an uptrend. In an uptrend, you have retracements to the downside as well, of course. Yeah, there are still a lot of sellers selling into the rally, taking profits, and this will take on for a while or carry on for a while. So yeah, you know, at the moment, nothing unusual happens. Pretty much exactly the scenario that we've been talking about in the last few videos. So no reason to panic or anything. That has nothing to do with a fake out here or anything. It is a normal wave movement at the moment. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about ADA. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.